How to make affiliate marketing successful. There is so much to learn about affiliate marketing because it's still growing and people are learning new things about how it works every day. Therefore, it's always good to keep an eye out for ideas about affiliate marketing. Here are some helpful tips that can help anyone when it comes to learning about affiliate marketing. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. Work with affiliate marketing partners that make your part in the business easy. Good affiliates will give you ready-made advertisements, links and endorsements. Resources like this make it easy to deliver eager customers to your affiliate. They make money for you and your affiliate. A good affiliate will offer you the tools to turn a profit for both of you. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. If you sell a lot of different products, organize them, so customers can search one category at a time to find what they are looking for. A search box at the top is also a good idea, and it is even better if results can be further sorted by attributes, such as size and color. Avoid affiliate marketing scams by doing some research before choosing an affiliate. Companies that charge you to be an affiliate are not reputable, nor are companies that require you to buy its product before becoming an affiliate. Doing a quick Google search of potential affiliates can save you from scams. The more you learn, the more you have to use when you are making your decisions about affiliate marketing. Any and every tip you learn can help you in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Just remember to keep up to date with tips like these, and you should be successful if you apply your knowledge correctly. Student loan.